You wait 2 hours for your dishwasher to finish, expecting sparkling clean plates. But when you open the door, the reality is disgusting. The drinking glasses are covered in a gritty white film. There are dried food particles stuck to the forks. And worst of all, a smell like a wet dog drifts out of the machine. Your first instinct is to blame the detergent or assume the machine is dying. You start looking up prices for a new Bosch or Whirlpool, preparing to spend $800. You assume the wash pump has failed, but in 90% of cases your dishwasher is mechanically perfect. It is just recycling garbage. To understand why this happens, you need to know how a dishwasher actually cleans. It does not fill with fresh water for the entire cycle. That would be incredibly wasteful. Instead, it fills the bottom of the tub with about 2 gallons of water, heats it up, and then the pump sprays that same water over your dishes again and again for an hour. Because the machine is reusing the water, it needs a way to catch the bits of steak, pasta, and lettuce that fall off your plates. This is the job of the filtration system located at the very bottom of the tub. It is supposed to trap the solid waste, so the pump only sprays liquid. But most people do not know this filter exists. Over months or years, it gets completely choked with a layer of grease, calcium buildup, and rotting food particles. When the filter is clogged, the water cannot flow through it fast enough. The pump ends up starving for water, losing pressure, and spraying garbage juice all over your clean dishes. Here is the 5-minute fix that technicians charge $150 for. Open your dishwasher and pull out the bottom rack completely. Set it aside. Look at the floor of the tub, right in the center or near the spray arm base. You will see a plastic circular cap or a mesh screen. This is your filter assembly. On most models, you simply twist the center cylinder a quarter turn to the left and lift it straight out. This is where you need to be prepared. What you find underneath will likely be a thick, slimy gray sludge made of old soap and food fats. You might even find broken glass or bones. Take the filter assembly to your kitchen sink. Use hot water, dish soap, and an old toothbrush to scrub the mesh screen until it is perfectly see-through again. Make sure to rinse out the coarse trap where the big chunks of food hide. It needs to be spotless. Lock the clean filter back into place. It should click firmly. Now run a hot cycle with a cup of white vinegar in a bowl on the top rack to strip away any remaining grease in the lines. When the cycle finishes, your machine will smell brand new. The next time you wash a load, the glass will be crystal clear. The pump will sound stronger because it isn't fighting for water. You didn't need a new appliance, you just needed to clean up the mess.